Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lunarozu. So today I have a quick shop restock update. We have a fully embellished traveler's notebook right here, and then we also have a spring bundle set which comes with an unembellished journal and two fabric bundle sets. So we're going to kickstart with this traveler's notebook that we have here. I don't know if you remember this. I think if you watch two videos back, this is actually one of the unembellished journals that I have put up for sale in the store. But unfortunately, she still hadn't found a home yet. So I decided I would go ahead and sort of fully embellish her just to kind of, in a way, show how much of a makeover unembellished journals can become. And so I decided, okay, let's just give her a makeover, and then hopefully she'll be able to find a home. So this one actually is together with this one. I think it's two videos back, so you can go ahead and check out that video just to see the difference between then and now. And this is how chunky she has become after all the embellishing. So the back is quite plain, it's just really soft. And then you have the velvet ribbon as a tie. And then so initially this was just the round feature here, but I decided to add a bit of tiny rosettes here, and then just a little bit of fabric remnants here as well. I think this is from an old sari, I think. And yeah, so it has come with this little tag as well, and this little brooch here. And then once you open her up, I didn't realize how chunky she got until I actually opened her up. I tried to close her. So this is the front. Previously it was plain, so I embellished her with the set of printed and authentic ephemera that she originally came with. So I embellished the front. This is a postcard just to give it a bit of a color pop. And then I've also added a bit more few things as well. Then we have some of the Peter Rabbit stamps as well. So in the front pocket, it has the pocket in the front and on the back. So I've added a few more ephemera. So this is a typewritten letter, which is kind of sweet. I gave it a quick read, and it was kind of sweet. So that's really, really nice. And then I added a photo as well. And then I made a tiny little grungy kind of pouch here, because there were some of the printed ephemera that I did not end up using. So I wanted a place for all those that I did not use, so I could keep them in there. So I didn't use all of these, so I thought I'll just put it back in here. So that's that. So this one here is actually a tuck spot, so you can put something in there. And then on the front we have a pocket here. This is from an old envelope, and then just a tag here that you can journal on the back as well. I added some tabs as well. So just a little bit of embellishing. Let me see, it's out of focus. Okay, there we go. Then you have this little pocket that I made. This is from an old recipe folder. So I thought that was really cute. Quick breads. So that's that there. Then we have a bit of fabrics scattered throughout the journal as well. So you have this clip-on here, and then you can journal on the back of that. So cute, just to give the page a little pop of color. And then on this side, I made into a pocket, so you can pull this out. So a little tag, a quick sort of note here that says your friends are always happy when they know you're happy too. So I thought that was something cute to have, I guess, journal prompts. So here we have this a little collaging here, a little fabric, what do you call, cluster here as well. I thought they could match well with the picture of this married couple. So I thought that was really cute. You'll notice that some of the pages are a bit different. That's because there's a lot of sort of blank pages. So I decided to cover it up with another page, which what you can do also in any of your unembellished journals. So this one here, just a little cute journaling card. Very cute. I really love this picture of this little girl. So that's inside there. And then you have little journaling cards as well, right here. So that's really cute. There's a little top at the bottom, like so. And then here we also have, this is a flashcard of fruits, just to add a pop of color as well. And then I made a little baggie, so you can put your notes in there as well. I thought this was so cute, little Johnny Grasshopper. So I added this vintage tag, greeting tag as well. So I like that. So just a few more pages here. I'm going to try and speed through this. I'm just afraid it might take too long. And then here we have, this is just a page from a children's book. So I thought you could do something with it. It was very cute. And then I made a little booklet as well. So you have all these here. Just a few pages as well. A little journaling card as well. More old photos. And then we also have some fabric swatches as well here. So I thought you could use that and do something with it. This is a journaling card as well. That's a printed ephemera from that came with the unembellished version of this journal as well. So they come with this journal really comes with a lot of cute children's book as well. A bit of ruffles because everyone loves a bit of ruffles. And so that's a matchbox. And then you have a bit of journaling card. You can journal on the back there. This is from an old greeting card. So you can journal on the back of that as well. And then you have some more here. This really cute girl, probably reading some bedtime stories. And then this is a handwritten letter that you can use to embellish your journals later on as well. This is a pocket. You can put something here, something in there. And then this little cute cutout. I think this is from the graphics fairy, this little cat. So I thought it was cute. You can journal on the back of that. And then this little journaling card as well. Very pretty. It really helps to give a pop of color to the page. And then this is a sort of a floating tag, I guess. So there's more fabric swatches here, then you can journal on the back here as well. So add a bit of color to this page as well. So, yeah, so cute. And then it's here, and then I added a few more fabric flips. This little teddy. This is actually from an old greeting card, so I just made it into a little sort of mini tag style. And then this gorgeous fabric as well. This is actually from one of the part of the spring bundle set right here. So, and then yeah, so just a little bit of decoration here and there. And then this journal also comes with a little bookmark as well with a heart here. And then this is the middle, the center fold. So you can journal on the back of this as well. So I didn't want to make this into a pocket because it actually it does fold out really nicely. So just leave it like that. So really pretty ruffles here and there. I really love the little rosettes. So we also have more journaling cards here as well. This little swan here, so cute, very eclectic, I think. And then on the back of that, we also have some printed ephemera from the original journal as well. And this is from the Thank You Kate digital collection. So very pretty. So that's there. And then you also have a few vintage receipts and a vintage postcard as well. This little shoe here, more fabric swatches, and then you also have you can journal on the back of this as well. I really love flowers. I really wanted this journal to just be full of flowers, I think. Some vintage receipt, French receipt, and this cute little girl as well. You can put her anywhere you want. Thought that was really cute. Then some more ruffles here, and then we also have a another paper bag here as well. Not paper bag, what do you call this? A paper envelope, I think. This is from the artist collection. So the artist collection is mainly for the theme is painting and all of that. That's why you'll see swatches here and there. So inside here you'll have journaling card as well. This is some handmade paper. It's empty, so I thought you could use it. I just love the texture of it. This is from the French Edith Holden book, so you could do a bit of journaling at the back of that as well. And then over here, I think this is from the Graphics Fairy as well. So you have printed ephemera. This is from a vintage greeting card. And then you also have this really, really holiday theme kind of postcard. So that is there. You have that. I didn't do anything here because I really love the picture of the little girl. And then we have side pockets here. So I just divided it into two. So you have this floral one again here. So you can tuck that in there. And then you have the vintage ticket as well. And then this is also from the Graphics Fairy, this little heart right there. And then here you have another pocket. This is actually a really cute vintage greeting card, a printed one, printed ephemera, also I think from the Graphics Fairy, which I made it into a button card. And then you have another journaling card here, again, flowers everywhere. This is a vintage postcard, very pretty. I just love the just the pop of colors here and there, you know. So, and then on the back of that we also have a fabric tab, fabric flip here, also from the Graphics Fairy. Then more children's book pages. This is also was a blank page, white blank page, and then I just put on this, glued on this page from the artist collection. Again, very beautiful fabric swatches, as very beautiful paint swatches. So I think that's really pretty. Just adds color to the page. This one also, and then more pretty book pages, more fabric swatches, very pretty, very soft. And then you also have a tuck spot here and a little journaling card there as well. So here is one of the embroidered patches that I have. Initially I wanted to use this for the front page, but I thought maybe not a lot of people like ducks, adore ducks as I do, so I decided to just use this on the back here. It's really cute and it's really soft, really nice to touch. I thought you could journal around it, and this I thought was the perfect last page to the journal. So yeah, so that's that. And then I added this little patch here as well, this little floral patch. And then So this is from my latest collection, which is the French fabric sample card collection. This is the front, and then the back actually looks like that. So I really love. You can go check it out. It's available on my Etsy, or if you want to support me, you can support me monthly, and it's also available on my Ko-fi page as well. And this is the vintage Asian paper doll that I grew up with, so that came with the original Unembellished journal. So that's that. So this is the fully embellished version of it. And then the next bundle that I want to show you guys is actually this one. This one is the sister of the previous one, but this one is the unembellished version of it. So I'll just show you how it looks like again, just roughly on the inside. You can see the full flip through in I think the second previous video that I have on this channel. So as you can see, this is all the ephemera that I used, that came with the original journal that I used as well in there. So it's all in here. So initially it was supposed to be unembellished because I wanted to give the owner a full creative freedom. So this is how this one looks like on the inside. So you can tell it's quite blank. This is exactly how the previous one looked like inside. It's actually really thin in comparison. So this is all the printed ephemera that it comes with, and then this one comes with this vintage version of the paper doll that I grew up with. So so this one also hasn't found a home, so I decided that I was going to put her with make her into a spring bundle, which will come with this one right here, this fabric collection here. So there's quite a few that you can play with here. There's some lace, some embroidered roses, embroidered flowers. So these are just a few of the fabrics that it comes with, this pink bundle set. So you have this lace, this really fluffy kind of fabric texture. Then you have this one as well, which comes with all this frills, and yeah, so that's the pink one. And then it will also come with this blue one right here. This blue one is also really pretty. So you have this rose one here, another vintage leather that it comes with, this one as well. So a lot to play with. So this one here as well, a bit of lace. This is what I did the ruffles with in the previous journal. And then this lace here as well. More beautiful fabrics here. So yeah, so these two beautiful floral bundles will come with this journal right here, this unembellished journal. So again, you will get, full creative freedom, and you can use these fabrics for any other of your other journals as well. So yeah, so that's my restock for this time around. I'll link the where to buy them. I'll actually list this on my Ko-fi, just because I'm trying not to list a lot of the journals that I sell, or fabric bundles, on Etsy, because the fees are really high. So I'll list them down in my Ko-fi. And yeah, so I thank you guys for staying with me. I've been rambling on for 20 minutes. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!